Alright guys, welcome back to 3 Styles. Today is Thursday, June 24th, 2021. Currently it is 3:20 p.m. Houston time. And today we're going to be looking at everybody's favorite ETF, ARKK. But first, I like to show you the market overall so you guys could compare. So today, and by that I also like looking at the SPY ETF. So it's kind of funny. So today the SPY is up 0.59%. And like I told you guys last week, it was a little bit of a downtrend, and then Friday was a really strong downtrend. But like I told you guys, whenever it hits my SMA 50, and let me show you this, whenever the market hits the SMA 50, it bounces. So I was expecting it to bounce after Friday for that little downtrend to be over. And the last couple of days, as you can see, it has been bouncing up and going back up, looking too healthy again. So okay, so now back to ARKK. Boom. So for the day, ARKK is up 1.42%. And by the way, this ETF for the month is up 14%. For a year, it's up 74%, and for 5 years, up 536%. So a great return. Can nobody argue against that? But yeah, for the month, looking at my fastest swing trade signal, my HMA 14, this blue dotted line right here. Overall, it's trending up, but as you can see over here, it was if it's over, the candles finish over the line, I consider that a positive, and if it's under, a negative. Currently, right now, it is trending over as positives. Also, my PSARs, these pink dots, if they're under the candles, it's positive, and if they're over the candles, it's negative. But as you can see, it is mostly trending positive right now. Volume is picking up again, which is a really good thing lately. For the 3 months, we're gonna analyze the MACD, and as you can see, it was downtrending the month right before, and then it crossed over. At least the signal lines crossed over. Like a month and a half ago, and so did the histogram. The signal lines and the histogram crossed over, and the good thing about that is that the lines are about to go over the histogram, which is a really good thing. One thing though, on the RSI, it is hitting overbought territory, so it might take a little break over that. Not only just on that, but also on the Bollinger Bands, top and blue lines right here, which is all one signal. But if it goes over it, it usually means it'll bounce back in, Let me show you in the 6 months what I mean. See, when it goes over the Bollinger Bands, they usually bounce back. And that's what it's doing right now. So it might take a little recent cool down from going up, but overall, this is looking positive from everything I see. Also, the candle. When it's up like this with a high and then it closed low, usually means that the negative came in towards, or the sellers came in towards the end of the day. So it might be a little downtrend coming on. It might not, but overall, this looks like it's just back, guys. Let's look back at my 1 year to talk about my SMA 50 line. If you've been following me, I like this purple line right here. I like to consider it anything over, or my unhealthy line, right? So anything over it, it's healthy, and then when it crosses under it, it'll be unhealthy. And so was the case here. But right now, the good news is in the past week and a half, they crossed back over to the healthy territory. Also looking at my SMA 21 line, which I want to use as a crossover against the SMA 50. If the blue line is trending over, it's positive. If the blue line is trending under, it's negative. And over here, it almost tested it, but over here, it did just cross over like 2 days ago. Just crossed over again. So everything about I'm looking at telling me is that it's back, guys. Everything that the chart is showing me is that this stock is back, or this ETF is back. So that's really great news for anybody that's a ETF investor, or that can't swing trade, or can't trade companies now and then, that doesn't have time. This is a great ETF, and all the signals I see right now is that it's really good, that it's back. That's what the charts show right now. Of course, don't forget, news and events first before indicators, and diversify portfolios anyways. Even though this company does really good, you can find other ones, maybe other ETFs also. And one good thing I wanted to show you guys about this is this stock also follows, or this ETF follows the SMA 50 also. When it goes down, it usually uses the SMA 50 as a support, guys. You notice that when it has extreme downs, except over here when it became unhealthy, and then it just stayed under, and then use it as a resistance. But now it crossed back in again. So if you enjoyed this video, please give a like, subscribe, comment, help out. The channel is new, because I mean, I know some of you might like it, but you know, it's I need people to let me know that, so that I can keep making these videos. But yeah, thank you if you watched. Subscribe, comment, and peace.